Hi, welcome to the Cook for Your Life channel. So, it's breakfast, and what do we make? Well, avocado toast. Now, everybody in the whole world loves avocado toast, including yours truly. So, I'll just show you how we do it here and then give you a few options. So, first of all, toast your toast. While that's toasting, I'm just going to have a look and see which of these avocados is the best. This one looked like it was, or felt like it was. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. You can smush it or scoop it out. I just like to. This is a really easy way to slice avocado. I'll just get these naked slices away. Of course, now we've got to wait for the toaster, of course. Oh, it's ready. It's not very brown. I'll put another couple of pieces in. You don't need to put butter on avocado toast because avocado is fatty enough in and of itself. Now, you'll see in doing it this way how the avocado comes out into really nice slices. See how good that is? Now, nice as these slices are, I'm going to mash it into the toast. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do here. Once you've done this, you can make it savory or you can make it sweet. Sweet might seem like a crazy thing to do, but in places like Brazil, they eat avocado with cream and sugar and honey. But here I think we're just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it, a little drizzle of olive oil, not too much. The other thing that you can do, I like my avocado toast with either hot pepper flakes or hot sauce on it, so you can kind of put a little bit of Tabasco on this. That's one. I'm going to make the other one sweet. Okay, let me just get this piece out here. Waste not, want not. By the way, you need to be very careful taking out the pit like I did. More people end up in the hospital from doing that than almost any other thing. Again, I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on this. And on this one, I'm going to drizzle a tiny little bit of honey. And you'll be surprised at how good this is. Avocado toast, sweet and sour.